Good morning, students. In last lecture, what we have studied that is how to create a company. In this lecture or in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the features of the company. For the company feature, the shortcut key is F11. First, to change the company features, place the F11. In that, there are different features. From that first feature, we have to study that is accounting features. To select that, press the enter key. Then it will show you a list of companies. From select the company, that is Messrs. Bitwise Trading Limited. Suppose I want to maintain accounts only, then you can say that account maintain accounts only. Then जहाँ पे नो है वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, येस करना है. ठीक है. देन बाय डिफॉल्ट इंटीग्रेट अकाउंट्स एंड इन्वेंट्री विल गेट नो, and rest of directly you can accept that changes, then just accept. Next, बाहर आना ये ऑप्शन से, प्रेस द एस्केप की. देन टू चेंज द इन्वेंट्री फीचर्स, go to the inventory features, accept, enter, press the enter key. Then Messrs Bitwise Trading Company, है ना. देन नेक्स्ट फीचर्स, सपोज अकाउंटिंग फीचर्स में जाके अगेन यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, नो कर रहे हैं. एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इंटीग्रेट्स अकाउंट्स एंड इन्वेंट्री, यस. तो जो आपके इन्वेंट्री फीचर्स है वो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएंगे आपके, दैट इज एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे जाएंगे इन्वेंट्री फीचर्स, देन बिटवाइज ट्रेडिंग कंपनी, है ना, इंटीग्रेट अकाउंट्स एंड इन्वेंट्री, यस. ठीक है. एस्केप करके बाहर आ जाओ. The next features है statutory and taxation. Suppose I want to alter the changes, that is GST अगर आपको अप्लाई करना है, then कहाँ पे जाना है आपको, F11, then statutory and taxation. From the list select the company, then enable goods and service tax GST, आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, that is yes. Then next, what they have said, that set or alter GST details, in that say yes. Then press the enter key. Then it will ask to add the GST details. In that, add the GST details as state Maharashtra, then registration type regular, then accessory to other territory, no. Then GST applicable from date बता रहा है वो. Then GSTN number वो ऐड करने को बोल रहा है. So add the GSTN number which is given in the company, that is suppose 27 KLM A 4321 V1 Z2. They have given the GSTN number. Then periodicity of GSTR, that is monthly or quarterly. Suppose I have selected that monthly. Then next, directly press the accept. ठीक है. Rest of also you have to accept. They have not given the PAN number. Suppose PAN number है तो you can add that PAN number. Otherwise, accept the changes. Then the statutory and taxation features will get added. These are the company features and accounting features, inventory features, and statutory and taxation. After the creation of company, the next step, you have to change the features as per the requirement. Suppose you want to change the accounting features, select that option. Suppose you want to change the inventory features, select that option. Suppose I want to change the statutory and taxation features, then select that statutory and taxation features. Okay.